Pinster AI has just been released, and it's making waves in the world of artificial intelligence. In this review, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a digital marketer, or simply someone curious about AI tools, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Pinster AI can transform your business or personal projects. You can also try it completely free by clicking the first link below. Pinster AI is a powerful, cutting-edge tool that combines automation with AI to streamline your marketing and content creation processes. What sets it apart from other AI software is its incredibly user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for beginners, while still offering advanced features for professionals. One of the most exciting aspects of Pinster AI is its content generation capabilities. This software is designed to assist with creating high-quality, SEO-optimized content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating social media captions, or even generating ad copy, Pinster AI has an intuitive algorithm that delivers relevant content suggestions based on your input. This alone saves hours of time that would otherwise be spent brainstorming or rewriting drafts. Another standout feature is its AI-powered marketing automation. Pinster AI can help you manage your campaigns with ease, scheduling posts and tracking performance automatically. You'll get real-time insights and recommendations on what's working and what isn't, giving you the power to optimize your strategy without spending hours analyzing data. Now, let's talk about the AI's learning capabilities. The more you use Pinster AI, the smarter it gets. It adapts to your specific needs and preferences, meaning you get better, more personalized results with each use. This adaptive learning feature is crucial for long-term efficiency, as it helps automate your tasks in a way that feels increasingly natural and tailored to your goals. For those of you managing social media accounts, Pinster AI also offers excellent features for social listening. The software tracks social media trends and conversations in real time, providing you with insights on what topics are currently popular. This helps you stay ahead of the curve by creating content that resonates with your audience and capitalizes on trending topics. One thing you'll notice right away is how easily Pinster AI integrates with other tools and platforms. It syncs seamlessly with your existing tech stack, whether you're using Google Analytics, Shopify, or other marketing software. This makes it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes, as you can quickly adapt it into your workflow without disruption. Security is always a concern when dealing with AI tools, and Pinster AI has taken this seriously. They use advanced encryption and ensure that your data remains secure while you use the platform. With GDPR compliance and a transparent privacy policy, you can rest assured that your information is protected. And the best part? You can try Pinster AI completely free, no strings attached, by using the link in the description below. The free trial gives you full access to all the core features, so you can really get a feel for what this AI software can do before committing to a subscription. So, to wrap up, Pinster AI is an incredibly versatile tool that delivers a lot of value for digital marketers, business owners, and content creators. Its ease of use, powerful content generation, automation features, and smart learning capabilities make it stand out in a crowded market of AI software. If you're looking for a tool to save you time and boost your productivity, I highly recommend giving Pinster AI a try. And after trying thousands of AI softwares myself, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description below. Feel free to check them out and start optimizing your workflow today.